Your Conti espresso machine comes with volumetric dosing. This is a widely used system that measures the volume of water supplied from the group head. To start, you will need to prepare a portafilter with coffee, referring to your ideal espresso recipe. You will also need the following tools: a set of scales, accurate to 0.1 of a gram is ideal, and a cup. Start by placing the scales and the cup onto the drip tray, turn on the scales and set them to 0. Firmly insert your loaded portafilter into the group head and place the cup and scales underneath. Then press and hold button 5 on the left touchpad. This is your master touchpad and will copy the program into all other groups. You'll need to press the button you'd like to program. This will start your shot. Watch the shot weight on your scales. As you approach your desired espresso weight, press the button you're programming once again to stop the shot. Then press button 5 3 times to exit the group programming menu, and this will automatically save the dose. Your X-One espresso machine also has a programmable hot water button that can be programmed in the same way.